Now I welcome Mr. Kishore Lodha, Chief Financial Officer. Mr. Vinay Surana, Head of Treasury. Last but not the least, Mr. Inamdar, Director, Trust Crore. To begin the proceedings and to set the context for today's milestone, I invite Mr. Inamdar, Director, Trust Group, to come and address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Nice to see a good audience on a nice evening, good sunlight. As we start and kick off the broker conference, we would like to welcome all on behalf of Capri Global Capital Ltd and the lead managers to the broker conference of Capri Global Capital Ltd public issue of secured, rated, listed, redeemable, non-convertible debentures, which is opening for subscription on 30th September 2025, which is coming Tuesday, and scheduled to close on Tuesday, October 14, 2025. The lead manager to the issue is Trust Investment Advisors Private Limited. Representing the company, as already introduced, we have amongst us Mr. Rajesh Sharma, who is the Managing Director, Mr. Kishore Lodha, who is the Chief Financial Officer, and Mr. Vinay Surana, who is the Head of Treasury, along with me, Inamdar, from Trust Investment Advisors. I will start with a brief introduction about Capri Global Capital Ltd. Capri Global Capital Ltd is a well-diversified, retail-focused, systematically important non-deposit taking, non-banking financial company. It is operating in India, and the company offers a wide range of secured and collateralized loans through 4 primary lending segments comprising MSME, housing loans, gold loans, and construction finance. Under MSME loans, the company has recently launched micro loans against property and indirect lending. The company also holds a corporate agent composite license for the distribution of life insurance, general insurance, and health insurance policies. The customers, particularly in relation to our MSME loan, housing loan, and gold loan segments, primarily comprise of self-employed non-professionals and salaried individuals. I will start with a brief introduction to the issue. Well, Capri Global Capital Ltd is kicking off its maiden public issue of bonds, which is a base issue of 200 crores with an option to retain an oversubscription of 200 crores, aggregating up to 400 crores. The NCDs have been rated as Acuity AA stable by Acuity Rating and Research Limited and IVR AA positive by Informatics Valuation and Rating Limited. The issue is scheduled to open on September 30th, 2025 and scheduled to close on October 14, 2025 with an option of early closure once the requisite amount is mobilized at an early date. The face value of the NCD will be 1,000 per NCD with a minimum application of 10 NCDs and a multiple of 1 NCD thereafter. Basically, there are 4 categories of investors. Category 1, which is the QIB category. Category 2, which is the corporate category. Category 3, which is the HNI category, including individuals and HF applying for an amount more than 10 lakhs. And category 4, which is retail individual category, wherein individuals and HFs applying for an amount up to 10 lakhs. There are 6 series of bonds being issued here, with fixed coupon, having different tenures of 18, 36, 60 and 120 months with annual and monthly options. The effective yield on the NCDs have been fixed with the interest rates ranging from ranges from 889 to 969 for all categories of investors. The NCDs are proposed to be listed on BSE, and BSE is a designated stock exchange for the issue. Of course, it goes without saying the allotment shall be made on the first come first served basis. With this, now I invite Mr. Rajesh Sharma to address the gathering, sir.
Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to welcome you all on the maiden issue of NCD by Capri Global Capital Ltd. We are a well-diversified lending institutions focused on lending to borrowers in the segment of MSME, affordable housing, gold, retail construction finance, and MSME segment. Our entire portfolio is collateralized and secured. We don't do anything unsecured. While we are retail focused and growing at the pace about 40% year after year in last few years, still we have remained very focused on our asset quality. We have heavily invested in technology, data science capabilities, and our entire lending platform is digitized as well as the using technology to automate the processes. We are very well focused on collection automation, and I think our collection efficiency is very good, making our company's entire collection system asset quality very robust. Having invested deeply in technology, we believe that that is the edge we have created, and looking at the growth opportunity in all these segments of MSME, affordable housing and the gold loan, we are quite excited about the potential of the company in line with the way India is growing to become third largest economy. The current NCD issue will strengthen our funding base as well as the diversification, and the funds will be utilized for the onward lending operation. I would like you to go through our presentation. I would like to invite Kishore to take you through the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. In next 10 minutes, I will take you through the company presentation. Then my colleague Vinay will take you through the issue structure, and then we will open the house for questions and answers.